GPT Sol review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called GPT Sol. So right now we are on the sales page. Now how do you come to the sales page? For that you will find the link below my YouTube video. So if you go below my video in the description you will see a link which says grab GPT Sol AI, not AI, just Sol. So GPT Sol, copy here, click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where at the top you have a discount coupon of $2, which is GPT-2. So you get $2 off. Let me see if I can find another discount coupon, which is $4 off GPT-4. That's my loss. Okay. And then 30% off GPT-30. So try to use these two coupon codes and see which one gives you maximum discount, because if you use maximum discount, I will lose maximum money if you buy from me. Okay. Anyways, you can use these coupon codes, get some discount, and go and buy this using my link below if you want. And if you want to buy my own software, then if you click on more here and check out this link which says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. So you can see there are my software as well. These three are the software which I have created, I have launched, and I have explained what these software do towards the end of this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And if you want to buy one of these software, you can go and buy. Okay, so coming back to GPT Sol, get instant lifetime access to every Chat GPT AI model, including the brand new Chat GPT Sol with zero monthly fees ever. So all you have to do is watch this demo video which I have here. It's a 3 minutes long demo video I'm going to show you, but you will find this demo video on the sales page. For that you have to keep scrolling. We'll find the demo video in this live only, so let's not lose hopes. Keep scrolling until you find the demo video or you lose the visibility of your eye or eyes. So keep scrolling, we'll get there. There you go, you got it. So this is the demo video which you have to go and watch, which I will show you in this demo video as well. So in this review video, so this is, you have to click on this and the demo video will be playing. Now let's finish the sales page first and let's go through some question answers. So at the bottom we will have them somewhere. So let's see, where are they? Here are they. So will you get support? Yes. Monthly fees? No. Money back guarantee? Yes. Update the yes. Go and buy this. So whether you want this GPT Sol or not, if you want my bonuses, then you have to go and buy this using my link below, because right now you don't know what the bonuses I'm talking about. So you have to watch the video till the end, because I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning. I'll explain them in next 2 minutes. Okay, so let's get done with the demo video right now. I'll show you some glimpses of the dashboard here. So once you're logged in, you have these options. You have chat, content, images, video, codecs, audio, prompts, research, this and that. Okay, so what you got? You got some versions of the model here. So use some model here to create the content or the AI content. That's called fake content, by the way. AI means fake, if you don't know that. I'm giving you a pro tip. Don't tell anybody else. You know, you might get some orgasm saying, oh, I'm using AI. Well, AI, in other words, means fake. You have any idea about that? So when you say I'm using AI generated images or AI content, that technically means, or that literally means, it's a fake content, it's a fake image. You got it? But it looks cool. You see, this is an AI video. So you could say I have made this AI video, but technically it's a fake video. That's what AI means. I hope you understand something in this life. So what we got? You can generate some content here. So go and check out this demo video in your free time. It's only 3 minutes long and you already have the demo video on the sales page. Okay. So if you want GPT Sol, go and grab this using my link below. I have given you the discount. I have given you the discounts already, as you can see, and my bonuses are linked with the sales page. As you can see, this is my bonus URL linked with the sales page here. So go and buy this and you will get the bonus automatically delivered. And then let's talk about the OTOs. I guess we have many of them, I guess, here. So let's come back. You have front end and then OTO 9. I guess you have 9 OTOs. Okay, you can pick and choose, and maybe 10 OTOs. Okay, cool, I'm done. So that's all. So go and buy this using my link below. And now if you want to know how to make money online, what my bonuses are, and what my software do, so make sure you watch the video till the end now. Alright, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here, and then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours, 9 minutes. And in this training, you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you, okay? Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this if you are serious about making money on YouTube. This is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in chat GPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus, okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy. if you want it or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.